The Brownsville-South Padre Island International Airport is getting a makeover. Officials say more people are flying in. Last year alone, they saw more than 100,000 travelers.
I just come down here in the winter because it's the warmest place to be.
Richard Rainsbarger vacations in Port Isabel every year and is excited more flights will be added to his nearest airport.
This represents the original Pan American Airways logo. This is where Pan American Airways started.
Larry Brown, director of aviation, says in their new project, it will bring a new 55,000 square foot passenger terminal.
We have a total of 4 gates, 2 loading bridges. When we are done with the new terminal, it will be about twice the size it is at the present time.
The new terminal will sit where the current parking lot is, as well as the current street. And the location where the terminal is now will be used for other large aircraft.
The airport's biggest change is this runway. This runway right now is 7,000 feet long, and they plan to add 5,000 feet more.
The city investing in its own infrastructure. It is the FAA investing in the infrastructure here in Brownsville. It is the private sector, who is investing in the growth and development that is taking place here at the airport.
Right now, American and United are serving customers, but in a few weeks, Allegiant Air will join in.
When you consider the fact that the airport is 18 miles, as the crow flies from here, drive out the road, go to Boca Chica to the SpaceX launch site, 18 miles from here, and you're at the place where there are future, not too long from now, you're going to see rockets launch.
It's a small airport, but the area is growing.